Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. In this video, I paint my $500 trailer for $500. If you're new here, hello and welcome. I am Becca. I am a mom to 3. I've been slowly remodeling a single wide I found on Facebook Marketplace since 2020. And it is just my husband and I with no outside help, all on the side between working full-time and raising a family, that of which has extraordinary circumstances. It's not easy. At times, it almost felt not worth it. But as the world goes up in price, I'm still happy with my purchase. I try my best to collaborate with other fellow mobile homies to try to break the stigmas on trailers. So if that is something you're into, hit the subscribe button. Now, for those that have been following along since the beginning, you've been asking me for what seems like forever, and I love you for waiting patiently for me to show you the outside of my trailer. You know how bad the inside was, and I will be getting into details in the future, but the inside was bad, and now I would like the outside to reflect what the inside looks like. Visitors always are blown away when they walk into the inside of the mobile home and see that it doesn't match the outside at all. So we knew this summer was the summer we would finish the windows, paint the house, get a little bit of landscaping done, and fix the skirt and underbelly to prepare for the next winter. The painting process we actually got done in 2 days, and that is 2 days of working from sunup to sundown. When we first purchased this mobile home, it had all metal windows and the outside was really bad. The siding had mold and mildew on it, but over a few soft washes with the pressure washer, it was able to come off. So the house was nice and prepped. We caulked anything that needed caulked and washed it, so it was good to go, ready for paint. That probably took the most work, was the prep work, filling any of the holes with caulk, and then putting the wood around the windows, and then filling in the cracks and screw holes from the wood with caulking and letting that dry. Those that have been following since the beginning know that we've had one cardboard wall. It pretty much was cardboard. There was no insulation, and they put up fake brick wall from Menards, the faux brick wall. That's what was up there with no insulation, and then the window was actually plastic. the same plastic windows that go in like doll houses. That's what we had as our side wall. So we thought that we had replaced all the cardboard walls, and then when we went to my daughter's window, we found out that actually behind the shutters there was no insulation from when they put in the window. When we had purchased the mobile home, this was the only good window in the entire house. It was the newest window, and they obviously didn't put it in right. So we didn't know that the window did not have any insulation or anything around it because we didn't replace it. Any other window that had that, we knew. So this one we didn't. So when we went to go pull off the shutters, we saw that there was cardboard and no insulation. So we did have to fix that. And once we got all that done, then we were able to start the painting process.
It's been some damn heavy years, a flood of endless tears, been laying on the ground for too long. Search for love everywhere, and sometimes I didn't care, just wanted someone around. Oh no, I got up on my knees, tried to make a change. Suddenly I began to feel alive, slowly opened my heart to trust somebody again. This time I don't feel lonely. I don't need you, so you better treat me good or I will leave you. 'Cause I want you, but not to the cost of everything. No, I won't haunt you. Nowadays I attract people who act nice to me. I don't waste my time. Nowadays I observe, look for things I deserve. 'Cause I don't need my mountains to climb. But I got up on my knees, tried to make a change. Suddenly I began to feel alive, slowly opened my heart to trust somebody again. This time I don't feel lonely.
I purchased my paint at Menards, and I got 2 5-gallon containers worth of paint. We were actually able to paint the entire house with just rollers and a paintbrush. I personally don't think that a spray gun would have been easier. I've tried to use a spray gun before and I just mess it up. So I went the old school way and just used a roller and a brush. It was a little less than $500 after tax for the 2 5-gallon containers of paint, and an additional $500 for the wood around the window and the caulking and screws. That was an additional $500 because the cost of wood has gone up so much. The wood around the windows was in our window budget from last year, so the paint and supplies to paint the whole single wide, supplies being roller and tape and paintbrush, was a little under $500. So if you're looking to paint your single wide, then expect it to be around that much. I got the cheapest paint you could get for exterior, and I actually have a few gallons left over, so I do plan on painting the 2 sheds I have to match the house.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. It's like you could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Run away with me, come home with me tonight.
I started to struggle painting around this tree, and this tree grew this year. I don't know if it has always been there and it just kept getting cut back, but out of nowhere, this tree started to produce some shade in front of my hall window, and I love seeing the green pop through from the inside. So we just pulled it back out of the way with like rope and ladder so I could paint around it. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I will have more videos with showing the outside. I need to get under the house and clean up all the garbage that's still under there from the previous owners, as well as fix the insulation, repair the underbelly, and repair the skirt. So that is next. If you're following me over on Instagram, you know right now I am redoing my bedroom, so I will be showing you that. We're just going to keep plugging away at this place and taking you all along. So make sure you are subscribed. Please drop a comment below, and I'll catch you in the next one.